We're live again. Um, you can't call it success if your body's breaking to afford it. That line hit me hard one day because I realized I spent years chasing goals that were quietly costing me peace. We're taught to measure success by how much we produce, not by how we feel. But here's the truth: if your body's running on empty and your brain feels like it's stuck in overdrive, it's not success. That's survival with a nice filter on it. Filter's not real, right? Hey friends, I'm Claudette Eames, a certified mental wellness coach, entrepreneur, and I help the mature age community rebuild calm and strength naturally while creating income that fits their life. Because let's be honest, we've already had the chapters where burnout was normal. It's just what we did, right? We've already paid that price. These lives aren't about hustle. They're about rebuilding from wisdom, not from pressure. Oh, what a relief. There was a season when my days ran on caffeine, and that caffeine for me was not so much coffee as it was give me the sugar, give me the chocolate, give me the junk, that kind of stuff. And sheer willpower. Just go, 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 go. Running a business, caregiving, showing up for everyone else. It was nonstop. People said, "You're so strong, Claudette." But what they didn't see was the fatigue behind the smile, or the knots that never went away in my shoulders. I told myself, once I get through this week, I'll slow down. But then the next week looked like the same, right? And then the next one and the next one. I just, it's just that snowball effect. It just keeps going and going and going. It just doesn't stop. Then one night, I sat there thinking, why does success feel so heavy? And it hit me because what was I was building everything around my life, not for it. It really wasn't success. I had something and it brought in this money, but it wasn't success. My body had been whispering for months, years, and I kept tuning it out. In the name of progress, just keep going. But when I decided to rebuild something differently, from the inside out, here's what I learned. And I hope it lands for someone else who's been running on fumes. I think you understand that, right? Your body keeps score long before you crash. That fatigue, the brain fog, the constant tension, it's your body's way of saying, slow down before I make you. Make me what? The brain connection, the gut brain connection is real. When stress takes over, it shows up everywhere. In your mood, your focus, your skin. And yeah, your skin. People don't realize that so much happens. Your skin is our largest organ in our body, and people don't think your skin as an indicator, and it's a very, 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 very large indicator. But we don't see it that way. We think it more of that tension and the knots, and I'm not feeling good, and something sore, and that kind of stuff. So, calm is not a luxury. It's your power source. You want calm in your life. You don't earn calm after the chaos. You have to create it before. Hydration, movement, good nutrition, those aren't extras. They're non-negotiables. If you really want longevity, you've got to start thinking that way. Success built from exhaustion, that collapses. Success built from energy expands. You want good energy, not exhaustion. When you take care of your internal system, everything external starts to work better. your ideas, your relationships, your business. It's not motivation, it's biology. It's a real thing. Little did we know, right? Um, but you're not behind, you're rewiring. The world rewards speed, but longevity rewards steadiness. You know how we always hear about the turtle and the hare? Think about that. And every time you pause to reset, you're teaching your body it's safe to grow again. It's okay. Somewhere along the way, we started believing that rest meant weakness. If I rest, that means, you know, I'm not good enough. But rest is a form of respect to yourself, for your body, your time, your mission. It's how you protect your ability to keep showing up with purpose. The hustle can build your business, but peace builds your life. And if you have peace, that's when you find that rhythm, that calm confidence. And confidence just doesn't happen. You have to create that space so then confidence comes and it changes everything. You lead differently. You think clearly. You feel good again. Probably never even thought about what it really feels like to feel good. So if you're sitting there tonight realizing you've been running faster but feeling worse, you're not alone. You can have both growth and grace, income and intention. You can have ambition and alignment. That's what I mean when I say health and wealth belong together. Because if you don't have your health, you can't build the wealth. This week, I'm going to keep sharing how I found that balance and how you can start building it too. If that's something you've been craving, calm, focus, steady energy, drop calm in the comments. And I'll share with you some of the ways I help my body and my brain work together again. It feels really good. Because real success doesn't come if you drain yourself. So real success doesn't drain you. It sustains you. And when your body feels safe, your future finally opens up. And it's not too late. It's not too late. You have time. Enjoy your life. Drop calm, let's connect, and let's take that next step. Let's live the best life. You deserve it. Again, I'm Claudette, and I look forward to sharing more with you. Take care and have an amazing evening. Well, it's evening for me.